Hello guys, today I'm going to let you know how to instantly improve the quality of audio that you get from your Maruti Suzuki Fronx speakers, especially if you don't have the tweeter version that is up to the Delta Plus models. First you go to the settings on your home page and go to the music settings, and from there go to the equalizer presets. If your preset is in flat, change it to jazz, and that's all you need. Now let's listen to the song. Let's go to the music player settings. It's in flat. As soon as you change it to jazz, just look at it. It gets much more vibrant and much better. Let the beats kick in. So this is in flat. Hear the difference. It's much better, much more louder. Here's the difference. In this car you get 4 speakers, 2 on the front and 2 in the back. No tweeters, but you'll never miss the tweeters.